Koyaldi. So, like, we've been in dance class for a while now, right? And you and I, we've become close over the years. But a lot of people still don't know what you do, who you are outside of dance class. They all know this dancer that you are, this beautiful person that you are, but they don't know who you are outside. So tell us about yourself. What are you outside of dance class? Who are you?
Okay, so who am I when I'm not dancing? Dancing actually is a really major part of my life, but when I'm not dancing, I am a media professional. I work with a factual entertainment channel. I also happen to be an entrepreneur. I have an online clothing brand. I am a very particular homemaker, the kind that likes to pack the husband's lunch. Apart from that, I love painting. So, a lot of the things that are there in the house or up on the walls, they are all handmade or hand painted. So, I think I am a little bit of a lot of things put together.
Yeah, so like Army, all of us know about because you're wearing it right now. And then I remember the shoots you did with some of the girls from dance class. So yeah, amazing stuff. Kudos. I've always wanted that, never done it. So yay. But there's another very unique part about you that you love traveling. So tell us more about that. Where do you go? Who do you go with? What intrigues you in a place? Tell us.
Oh yes, I love traveling. I have different kinds of groups I travel with. So there are groups of 8 and 10 of my closest friends, and we go out on trips. They are mostly well planned, and we also go out for this all girls trips. I have these little girls gangs, so those are really amazing. But I really find it exciting to just suddenly disappear, just suddenly plan overnight with Rohit and just escape one fine weekend. So Rohit and I, we do that pretty often. We just decide on a Friday night and Saturday we are gone. So that's something very exciting. But I think every kind of travel has its own flavors, very unique, interesting features, and they are all very special in their own ways because every time you come back home, you come back with a lot of experience and a lot of learnings, and they're very enriching in itself. Um, Apart from traveling to different places with different people, I think I have also traveled to people. For instance, my nani, during the last few years of her life, I remember I used to plan trips back home, especially for her, keeping her in mind during her birthdays. So I think those travels have also been very special to me in some way or the other.
So, like a lot of us, some of us at least, know what it's like to be working and be training professionally in a dance form. So, how does it work for you? Like, has dance influenced you in any way? How do you, in how you deal with your work life balance? What about your emotions? The stress in general of the workplace and the performances over here. How do you manage?
You know what? I really think performing on stage has kind of taught me this balancing act because when we are up there on stage, there are so many things that we are taking care of at any given point of time. So we are remembering our steps. We at the same time remember to smile, to emote. We need to remember when to enter, when to exit. We need to remember the formations. We need to remember to be where the light is. So there's so many things, but we somehow learn the skills to execute everything at the same time. I think in life, like performing on stage, you need to just learn and develop the skill to balance it all out.
Huh, so, but like your job is very high pressure, right? I mean, I know the creative field and it's constant pressure, there are constant deadlines. So, how do you deal with that? How do you deal with the pressure from that end versus the pressure of being a performer, a professional dancer? How do you do it?
You know what? A lot of my friends have actually asked me this question, that how do you find the time to do so many things? I think the simple answer to this question is I really love doing each one of these things. I really believe that together they make me who I am. And I can't let go of any of these, because these are things that make me happy. And I really believe life is too short. If not now, then when? So I've managed till now, and hopefully I'll manage in future as well.
So, another thing I wanted to ask about Ami. You're an entrepreneur who's like really passionate about her stuff, her creations. It's something I've always been wanting to do, but you know, you lose the drive somewhere, you're not enthused after a point. Like for writers have a writer's block. So, what about you? How do you get the energy? Where do you get the inspiration? How are you constantly motivated to keep Ami going?
Well, to be very honest, at times it gets really difficult. But there's one thing that I've understood and learnt in life, that our life will have different aspects. For me, it is my career, my dance, my family, my friends, and those little things that I like to do for myself. And each of these aspects are equally important. And to make sure that I give them enough of my time and full dedication and commitment, I cannot have a standard priority list. My priority list needs to evolve with time. So, at any given point of time, at any given phase of my life, I will have one of these aspects topping my priority list. So, at one time it will be dance, at the other time it will be my career. So, in this way, each of the aspects of my life will get its required importance.
So there's one more thing. You must have had a time where you weren't a dancer, right? Where dance wasn't the be all and end all of your existence. So do you think you can ever settle for that again? Go back to a life with no dance at all?
I don't think I need to answer that question. I don't think any of us can do without dance. Dance is such an integral part of our lives. It's like we breathe, we eat, we dance. I don't think any of us can even imagine a life without dance. I can't. I need to dance to live.
Thanks, Koaldi. It was really nice getting to know you, talking to you over so many topics, getting to know all your different aspects of life. And all of you out there, please stay tuned because we're going to get to know a lot of us over the coming few weeks. So stay tuned.